A very warm welcome to all the Aquarians out there. This is Aishwarya and you're watching was first 4K Zodiac channel astroflix.com. No one is quite independent like you. You always figure the way out of a tough situation on your own. But in 2017, you are not alone. Our astrologers are with you. They have made the predictions for the entire year. They also have the solutions to problems you will be facing in your career, love life, marriage, and so on. There are a lot of surprises too. Let's start with your career first. You'll get many challenging opportunities to show your talent and abilities. You'll learn a lot by managing complex tasks. You'll have to learn to adapt and get used to a new environment at your workplace. Well, success always happens outside your comfort zone. If you're planning to change your job, then the time after March is very auspicious, though you might notice the opportunity from mid-February. 2017 is auspicious in terms of money. The good news of the year is that you will get a salary hike. Our astrologers predict that all you freshers will find an opportunity. Will it benefit you or will it be a wrong turn? You can find it out by buying a 2017 career report. They say that your career is your business. You might manage it like a CEO. On that note, let's take a look at your business predictions. The stars will support all you business persons this year. Someone from your old network will give you a nice opportunity which will favor your business. Venus is the planet associated with money and riches. It will move in reverse, that is in retrograde mode. This means that its effect will not be very positive as expected. You might get irritated with all your efforts going nowhere. But don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow will bring. Bonafide paperwork will give you long-term security. Be careful with the terms of payment. It's better if you don't give goods on credit. A lot of challenges lie ahead for you this year. You'll have to fight your way through them. Our expert astrologers can help you with their effective business solutions. You can find them in our 2017 business report. Buy it and find other surprises lined up this year. Money management plays a large role in a good business. Let's take a look at your finance predictions. Jupiter, the planet of luck and growth, is influencing your finances. You will be lucky as this indicates a stable financial position. There is a sign of an increase in your wealth. That's because Venus is favoring you. You will also get lucky when you buy a property. The condition is that you will have to deal at the right time. The time starting from second week of May is very favorable for real estate dealings. Jupiter will show its magic in the last quarter of the year. It will play a role in making your financial prospects better around this time. Making more money is useless without good money management. You might face some hurdles in managing your finances due to unpredictable stars and planets. But our accomplished astrologers are always ready to help. You find their tips and tricks in 2017 Finance Report. Buy it now and let the magic happen. Security not only comes from money but also from relationships. Let's move ahead with your relationships predictions. New relationships are like a breath of fresh air. You will form many this year. The good thing is that they will be long term. Anger is often the cause of end of relationships. Stay level-headed and handle the relationships with maturity, especially from March to May. Some issues regarding ancestral property may come under the limelight. Spend time with your family and try to bond well. This will sort the matter out. The time after October is very auspicious. All your relationships will prosper well. A lot will depend on your attitude though. Make sure that you buy our 2017 Personal Life and Relationships Report. Our renowned astrologers are expert with relationship problems and solutions. Every good relationship, especially marriage, is based on respect. On that note, let's take a look at your marriage predictions. The planets and stars are completely in your favor if you plan to settle down this year. Give your partner the space they deserve. This does not mean that you should stop telling them how you feel. Do it in a gentle way. A good marriage is the one with ups and downs. You will have pleasant moments but will also have to sail through the rough times. If you're planning to start a family, then the time up to September is very favorable for you. A lot of things go into the making of a happy marriage, especially when the planets and stars are affecting it. Find all the solutions in our 2017 marriage report. Our astrologers are expert in marital life predictions and solutions. Good education and lifestyle are very essential in selecting a good partner. Let's take a look at your education and health prospects. Try adding to your job skills and personality along with education. If you're pursuing graduate studies, the stars tell that investing time in a crash course will be very favorable. All of you will lead a very healthy life in 2017. However, if you're middle-aged or above, you need to get treated for joint pains and deficiencies. Well, this year has a lot more in store than this. In fact, this was just a small sneak peek. I wish I could give you a detailed analysis of the whole year along with the solutions to all your problems, just like our astrologers. But I believe that the future depends on the present actions. You can know and change your future by buying our 2017 yearly report along with all these predictions. They have solutions to all the problems that you will be facing this year. Visit www.ganeshaspeaks.com. Change the future for better. This is Aishwarya signing off. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel astroflix.com, world's first 4K Zodiac channel.